Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 4. In that we have already done 3 questions. Now we'll go with question number 4. Construct a triangle XYZ with XY is 6 centimeter, YZ is 7 centimeter and ZX is 5.5 centimeter. And then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector PQ of YZ and then you have to bisect angle XYZ. So both the things we have done in one construction. Now this is the rough sketch. So this we taken as YZ is 7 centimeter. Then this one XY 6, ZX this 5.5, and then this is the perpendicular bisector that is the PQ, and this is the bisector that is angle XYZ. So now let us see actual construction. So these are the steps of construction. And I have done this construction, but these are not the exact measures. You can take the exact measurements and you can do it. So now here we will take this one YZ as 7 centimeter. So now see here, take YZ is 7 centimeter. So from Y, from this point, we'll take 6 centimeter on compass and draw one arc over here. And from Z, we will take 5.5 centimeter on the compass and draw another arc over here. So this is the point of intersection. So we will join this XY and this XZ. So this is given here. See from here, from Y takes 6 centimeters radius and draw an arc. From Z takes 5.5 centimeters radius and draw an arc. And this, then what you have to do, mark X at the point of, this is the point of intersection here. We have marked this as X. So now take more than half from Y and draw arcs above and below YZ. So why is this? We are going to do this one for the perpendicular because they have asked here, draw the perpendicular bisect. So what you are going to do here, you have to take more than half from Y and draw arcs above and below Y. And then taking same distance, draw arcs from Z. So now see here, from this YZ, you will take more than half distance, means it will be somewhere over here. You will take on the compass, whatever the distance here, more than half, and you will draw from starting from here, you will draw one arc above and here one. Then again the same distance whatever you are taken more than half, so that you will place your compass over here, and then that arc you will draw here and here. So now this is the point of intersection. So you are going to draw one line. So this is now the perpendicular bisector. So you can name anything. This I have named this as PQ. So now the perpendicular is done. So now what will you do? So taking more than enough. So mark the intersection, that is P and Q. So now you have to take from Y, take suitable radius and draw arcs and label as A and B. So here, this Y we are going to do from this one, you will take suitable radius and you are going to draw your A and B. And from then you are going to take this A as center and take, you can make it now, this is the short distance, the small distance, but now you will extend the distance, and from here you will put one arc over here. Same thing, whatever from here to here distance you have taken, this on the compass, this is all with the help of the compass. So you will put the compass over here and draw an arc over here. So now this is the point of intersection. So you are going to draw one line over here. So this is the perpendicular bisector for the XYZ. So now see here, same thing is written here. From Y, take suitable radius and draw arcs and label as A and B. Taking A and B as centers, draw arcs and draw a straight line from Y and passing to intersection point and XY. So this line is angle bisector of angle, that is of angle bisector of XYZ. So this is the B part, bisect angle XYZ. So all three things, the construction and the perpendicular and this one, they are done in. So I have done this one on the same thing. So now which of the following triangles can be constructed? So here, now see here, these are the measures given. So for this construction, what we have to see that when you are taking the sum of any two, so see a sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So you can take any two sides. Now suppose if we take 4 and 3, so this 4 plus 3 means 7. and 7 centimeter is less than the third. This is, suppose this is the third side, so this is less than 7, so it should be always greater than the third side. So this is less than 8 centimeter because 7 is smaller, so it is not possible to construct a triangle with the given measures of 3 sides. Suppose we are taking here this as 12. 8 plus 3 is 12, and 12 is greater than this is, suppose this is 3. So what we can say, sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. But in this case, like here also, suppose whatever was there, that should also be greater than 3. Now, okay, for 8 plus 4, that is 12, is greater than 3. But in this case, 4 plus 3 is not greater. So in all the things, means all whatever the measurement, whatever you take, either you take this first, you take this or this one. In all three, it should be greater. Suppose we are taking, I'll show you again here, we are taking 8 plus 4. So we are taking here, I'll do here 8 plus 4. So that is greater than 3 because 12 is greater than 3. But then again, if you are taking here 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 is again greater than 4. 11 is greater than 4. But in this case, this one, 4 plus 3, that is not greater than 8. So in this case, it is not possible. So wherever the conditions are, all three should satisfy the condition, means it should be greater than the third side. Hope this is clear. So this is not possible to control. So you have to write here, sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now suppose we are taking in this second condition 7, 15 and 5. So if we are taking here 7 plus 5, so what is that? That is going to be 12. And 12 is less than this third side, so not possible. Suppose we take here 7 and 15, that is 22. 22 and this is 5. So 22 is greater than 5, but this is less. So it's not possible. Now here 4.3, and if we are taking here 3.8, so that is 8.1. So 8.1 and here is 5.6, so that is greater. And now suppose we are taking here, if we take this 2, so that is going to be 9.9. So 9.9 is again greater than 3.8, so that also satisfied. Suppose we take this and this one, so that is going to be 9.4. So 9.4 and this is the third side is greater than 4.3. So in this case, what you can see, all three are greater, so we can say it's possible. But when we are doing it, even if we do one, so from that we can judge whether that is possible or not. But I showed you by taking all three, so what is possible and what is not possible. So hope this is clear to you. Now here, this is 15. So 15 and this is 14. So what we can do here, 15 is greater than 14, so that is possible. Now suppose we take this 20. 20 and this 9, so 20 is greater than 9, so this is possible. Now if we take this and this one, so that is going to be 23. 23 is greater than 6, so that all three are possible. So we can say that's possible. Now here 10 plus 10, that is 20. 20 is greater, this when both are 20, so that's not possible. Now here we take this one, so that is going to be 25.5 and this is 25.8, so it is less, so that is not possible. Hope this is clear. So now this one, draw a triangle ABC whose sides are 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter respectively, and through A you have to draw a line parallel to BC. So this is the rough sketch. So we will take here BC as 6 centimeter. So from you will keep the compass over here and draw an arc here, so that by taking 3.5 radius. So from here again from this C you will take 4 centimeter and draw an arc over here. So this is the triangle done, and then I'll show you how to draw this parallel line. So this is the rough sketch. So here the parallel line should be here. So now these are the steps of construction. So be careful with this one. This is slightly different, but you have to now see here. This is the construction. These are not the actual measurements, but it should look something like this. So now here this is the BC is taken as 6 centimeter. From here then again this is given AB, that is given as 3.5. So you will take here keep your compass over here, take 3.5 and you will draw one arc over here. Then you will keep your compass over here, take 4 centimeter and draw another arc over here. And then this is the point of intersection. You will join AB and BC. So now this triangle is done. So now later on, what are you going to do? From this C, you will take a suitable radius and you will draw an arc. So now after drawing an arc from here to here, whatever the distance you get from here to here, see here, whatever the distance you get from P, this mark this as P and Q, the same distance you will keep your point over here and you are going to draw an arc over here. From there, again, what will you do? You will keep your arc, this one, compass over here and you will draw an arc over here. So now this is the point of intersection, this is S. So you are going to draw one line. So now this is the parallel line to BC. So this is all given now here. Take BC 6 centimeter, take BS center and 3.5 centimeters radius, draw an arc. With CS center and 4 centimeters radius, draw an arc. Join BC, AB and AC. From C, draw an arc and mark it as P and Q. From A, draw an arc taking same radius as arc drawn from C. Mark it as R. Measure PQ and take same radius. And from A, draw an arc. Mark the point R on AC. Cut R, keeping compass at R. Joint A and intersecting point of arcs. So this construction, this one, whatever the steps are given, so you can make it in your own words. So because sometimes like it becomes a lengthy one, so you can also make it short. So the explanation I have given, the same distance, this is the important one. You have to take PQ. So then measure PQ, the same thing you will keep on A and you will draw an arc over here. And this R, wherever you can see, this will be R, the point R. So from R, you will take that same distance and you will cut this arc. So this is the point of intersection. So this is the parallel line. So this you can, the construction steps, you can write it in your own words. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.